In this lesson, I'm going to focus on the parts of a division, such as the dividend, the divisor, the quotient, and the remainder. So let's look at this example. We're dividing 259 by 4. The number that's being divided, that is the dividend. Now, the amount by which we're dividing that number, in this case we're dividing it by 4, that is the divisor. So let's do a long division problem. What is 259 divided by 4? So we know 4 doesn't go into 2, but how many times does 4 go into 25? Well, if we make a list of the multiples of 4, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Now, what is the highest multiple of 4 just under 25? That's going to be 24. 4 times 6 is 24. So 4 goes into 25 6 times. 4 times 6 is 24, and 25 minus 24 is 1. Next, we need to bring down the 9. Now, how many times does 4 go into 19? What is the highest multiple of 4 under 19? That's going to be 16. 4 goes into 19 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16, and 19 minus 16 is 3. Now, as we mentioned before, 259, that is the dividend. On the outside, the 4, that is the divisor. The 64, that is the quotient. The 3 is the remainder. So 259 divided by 4, we can write the answer as 64, remainder 3. Let's try another example. So let's divide 229. Let's divide that by 6. Feel free to pause the video if you want to. Once you complete it, identify the value of the dividend, the divisor, the quotient, and the remainder. So 6 doesn't go into 2. So we need to look at 22. How many times does 6 go into 22? Well, to find the answer, let's write out the multiples of 6. We have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. So what is the highest multiple of 6 just under 22? Well, that's going to be 18. 6 goes into 18 3 times. 6 times 3 is 18, and 22 minus 18 is 4. Now, 6 doesn't go into 4, so we got to bring down a 9. How many times does 6 go into 49? What is the highest multiple of 6 just under 49? Well, that is going to be 48. 6 goes into 49 8 times. 6 times 8 is 48. And we can bring down 49 minus 48 is 1. So 229, that is the dividend. That's the value of the dividend. 6 is the value of the divisor. The number on top, that is the quotient. And the number on the bottom is the remainder. So 229 divided by 6, we can write that as 38, remainder 1. That is the answer.